You have more chances of wealth in your 30s today than ever before. One reason for this is because the internet and e-commerce platforms enable easy startup and global reach for businesses, boosting entrepreneurial success. Additionally, the gig economy and remote work offer flexible, high-paying opportunities, increasing income potential like never before. Hey champs, welcome to the MoneyMind Quest. In this video, we're diving into strategies for building wealth in your 30s and achieving financial freedom. If you're all about making smart personal finance decisions, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end and be sure to join the MoneyMind Quest champs by smashing the subscribe button. Let's get into it. Investing in yourself, the ultimate asset. In your 30s, the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself. This means understanding the concept of assets created by the combination of your mindset, skill set, and tool set. A well-invested mind forms the foundation for developing skill sets that can leverage emerging technologies like AI, giving you a competitive edge in the future. Rather than spending money on the latest phone or fashion, consider taking a course to enhance your communication skills. By investing in knowledge, whether it's through online courses, certifications, or workshops, you can significantly boost your professional growth. Additionally, adopting a growth mindset allows you to embrace challenges and learn continuously, keeping you ahead of the curve. By focusing on self-improvement, you can harness the power of AI and other technologies to stand out, rather than getting lost in the social media trend chasing that often distracts your peers. Investing in your personal growth not only enhances your capabilities, but also positions you ahead in an ever-evolving landscape. The 4 levels of value creation. Remember, true wealth is the capacity to create value. Understanding the 4 levels of value creation will help you navigate your financial journey. The 4 levels are: implementation. This is the starting stage where you focus on executing tasks and meeting basic responsibilities as an employee. Your income is minimal at this stage. Unification is next. At this stage, you advance to managing and integrating teams, marking your initial promotion and leadership role. Communication. This level involves using productive communication skills to convey ideas and address needs, such as delivering speeches or presentations, marking the beginning of significant influence with a higher reward. Imagination. Here, you focus on creating and deploying innovative ideas to build lasting wealth and leave a legacy for future generations. Identify where you are now and set goals for reaching the next level. This framework can guide your financial decisions and help you stay focused on your long-term aspirations. Understanding and managing debt. Now, let's tackle the big one, debt. Debt often gets a bad image, but not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt, like a mortgage, can be a powerful tool for building wealth. On the other hand, bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can drag you down. Understanding and managing your debt is crucial. This isn't about blindly collecting debt, it's about making informed decisions. You know the terms of your loans, understand interest rates, and have a clear repayment plan. Get rid of low-value debts. Think of yourself as the captain of a ship navigating through rough seas. You need to know how to steer your ship into calmer financial waters. Importance of an emergency fund. Next, let's discuss emergency funds. As you enter your 30s, life tends to get more complex. You might have kids, a house, and elderly parents to care for. All these responsibilities make a well-stocked emergency fund more critical than ever. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but if you can, save up to 12 months worth. This provides a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, home repairs, or sudden job loss. Keeping this fund in a high-yield savings account can also earn you some interest while keeping your money accessible. Achieving a strong credit score. A strong credit score can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Aim for a credit score above 800. This will help you secure lower interest rates on loans, which can be especially beneficial when buying a home or refinancing a mortgage. Maintaining a good credit score is simpler than you might think. Always ensure your bills are paid on time, keep your credit card balances minimal, and avoid opening multiple new accounts simultaneously. Just one late payment can significantly impact your score, so stay on top of your payments. Financial planning and the bread strategy. In your 30s, it's crucial to begin focusing on long-term financial planning. A good financial plan should cover 4 main areas: budgeting, retirement, estate planning, and tax planning, or BRET for short. For budgeting, know your income and expenses intimately to ensure you're saving enough. For retirement, set clear goals and track your progress. For estate planning, if you have dependents, start considering a will and healthcare directives. For tax planning, make sure you're taking advantage of all possible deductions and credits. Check out the MoneyMind Quest video titled Master Your Wealth, the Ultimate Financial Education Path for Personal Finance Success for more details on this. Starting a company, think like a boss. If you haven't already, consider starting your own company. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful way to build wealth. It allows you to leverage your skills and passions to create value and generate income. Starting a business isn't just about making money, it's about creating a legacy and having control over your financial future. If you have a business idea, take the plunge, plan thoroughly, seek advice from some successful entrepreneurs, and be prepared to work hard. The rewards can be substantial. If you already have a business, explore ideas to scale it. The 3-bucket strategy. Now let's talk about the 3-bucket strategy, a popular method for managing your investments. This method divides your investments into 3 distinct categories to balance risk and return. The 3-bucket strategies are: short-term bucket. This includes cash and cash equivalents designed for immediate needs and expenses. It ensures you have liquidity and easy access to funds for short-term requirements. Medium-term bucket, comprising bonds and other fixed income investments. This bucket provides stability and moderate growth. It's intended to cover medium-term goals and generate steady returns while preserving capital. Long-term bucket. This contains stocks and other high-growth investments aimed at building long-term wealth. It's focused on achieving significant growth over time, accommodating for higher risk with the potential for greater returns. This approach ensures you have funds available when you need them while still benefiting from the growth potential of long-term investments. It's a balanced strategy that can help you manage risk and maximize returns. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. In your 30s, you're likely earning more than ever before. It's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle, but beware of lifestyle inflation. Keep your expenses in check and save or invest the extra income. Remember, the goal is financial freedom, not just looking wealthy. The more you save and invest now, the more options you'll have in the future. Live below your needs. Avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on building your wealth. Building wealth in your 30s involves making strategic, well-informed choices and remaining disciplined. Prioritize self-improvement and financial education to manage debt, maintain a solid credit score, and plan for long-term financial goals. Additionally, investing in your health is crucial. These strategies collectively pave the way toward achieving financial freedom. Be sure to join the MoneyMind Quest champs by smashing the subscribe button to join our wealthy nation. Check out this video and remember, the journey to wealth is not exclusive to a group of people. You have everything it takes. So keep learning and stay wealthy. Thanks for watching.